Hi, my name is Rav Adams. I'm an executive coach and I'm the author of the SuitedMonk series. And I've helped thousands of people around the world to be happy internally and to be successful externally. So I get asked a lot the question, what is the Suited Monk? Suited Monk is basically a metaphor. The suit is your external self, it's your job title, it's your levels of success, and it's what people see on the outside. The monk, on the other hand, is your internal self. It's your levels of happiness, it's your purpose in life, it's your values, it's your intuition. Now the problem is that most people focus in their life and career on the suit. They try to become successful, they try to make a lot of money, but in doing so, they disconnect from their internal monk. And this gap creates anxiety, creates high levels of stress, creates the suffering, and creates unhappiness. So the Suited Monk basically helps people to bridge this gap so they can be happy internally and then successful externally. So what I'm going to share with you right now are the 3 secrets that you need to have in place to bridge this gap within yourself. It's a completely reinvented approach on how to live a happy life and be happy internally and successful externally. The first step is you need to build a healthy suit. A healthy suit means the success that you have in your career. A healthy suit also means a healthy mindset, healthy positive thinking, because that will help you to achieve external balance. The second part that you need to have in place are the emotions within that gap. The anxiety, reduce the levels of stress, letting go of negative emotions, and balance these emotions within. And the third part that you need to have in place is develop and grow a healthy monk. Is live a life on purpose, live according to your values, so that in the end you can be happy internally and then successful externally. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've seen this all before, I've read this kind of books before, I've heard this from other people, but I can assure you that the Suited Monk is a completely reinvented approach on how to live life in a modern way, to align that external success with the happiness internally. And the Suited Monk provides the exact tools, the strategies and the methodologies that you need in practical, easy and simple steps for you to bridge that gap. And I, as your mentor and your coach, I've worked and lived in Belgium. I lived and worked for 12 years in China, and I've worked and lived for 4 years in Spain, helping thousands of people to help them bridge that gap within yourself. And just don't take my word for it. Look at some of the amazing testimonials that you'll find around here that you can see how people have benefited from the Suited Monk methodology. So my gift to you today is I'm going to give away my book for free, so that you can also learn these methodologies that are proven and that work, so you can be happy internally and successful externally. And the only thing that I ask you is that you just pay for the shipping and the handling. So I don't know how long we're going to keep this book available for free, so it's really important. If you want clarity in your life, if you want to search for what are the next steps in your life and career and you're not sure, if you want more fulfillment and meaning in your life and career, the Suited Monk is for you, and you can get your free copy today. Now, I also have the Suited Monk leadership book available for leaders to bridge that gap in companies, but I will leave that one for another side. So for today, just get your free copy of the Suited Monk, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Have a great day.